We are now going to get the M5Burner program downloaded from the M5StickC site and run it on this computer. So what we do is go to a Chrome browser and select the site. So the site that we're going to look at is M5StickC. And when we go there, look at the top menu and select the software item. And the one we want this time is downloads. Under downloads, top from the bottom is the M5Burner. Select download, then select the top platform, which is Windows 10, and that's the 64-bit version. So select that one, and it will then download into your computer. Once it's downloaded, have a look at the files in your download folder. One way to do that is to show in a folder, and all my downloaded files are shown in this particular folder here. We're going to transfer that program to a document folder on your computer. So you can cut that out. Go to the documents folder and create under the documents folder an M5StickC file. You can see I've already downloaded that, but if I was to transfer that, just transfer the program. Then the next step, because it's a zip file, you need to unzip it. And one way to do that is that I've already got a unzip program, and it's going to extract the files. So I've now unzipped them into the M5Burner folder. I open up the M5Burner folder and select the application M5Burner. Now we launch this program by double-clicking it with the left mouse button. It does take a little while to start. I'll bring that, the program has now launched, I'll bring it across to this screen. Okay, we now have the M5Burner program running on the computer. Now, a couple of things to note about this is that all the different types of computers are on the left-hand column. The one we want is the StickC. When we select that, our computer, all the possible software or firmware that's available to us is shown on the right. We can scroll down, and we're not going to use any of these programs except for the one right up on the top called the UIFlow StickC, and that's the one we want. And you'll notice that the first thing, I've already downloaded this into my computer, but you have to download, as I've shown here, And once you've downloaded it, you can then burn the program. So we just burn it. It's already connected to comms 4 on my USB. And it's now asking me to pair. What are the pairing parameters for the Wi-Fi? So you add your Wi-Fi name and the password for your Wi-Fi, then click Start. And this might take a little while, but it's now connected to the M5StickC, and it's downloading the firmware for UIFlow. So we're about almost a half of the download completed. About 90%, and it's almost there. Now wait until you get the message that the burn has been successful. So the burn has been successful. You can now close that window. And if you look at your M5 stack, we'll just open up the computer for that. That's on here. And you should get a little window on your M5 to confirm that it's ready to go. Now, the important thing to note here that it'll have an API key, and that's what you load into the UIFlow program on your computer, and we'll do that as the next stage.